it moving.
That's a small cricket.
I'm just looking at him.
That's smaller than Mr. DNA. That's as small as Mr. DNA's eyebrow.
Now he went in the grass. Like, that's so cool.
Why? Have you ever seen a kid who's like this? Ooh, look, mommy, there's a special rock in here. I'm gonna get it out. They try to get it out, and then 15 minutes later. Where'd the rock go? Where'd your rock go? Where'd your rock go?
I'm looking for it.
Why is it 4? Why is it 4?
Yep, it's 4. Yep, it's 4.
Wait, how did it get in my shoe?
Is it my rod? It's my rod. It's my rod.
All right, Renato.
Did it get all fit?
Yeah. It fits.
Okay.
Can I please have it?
Renato.
From Julie, please put this in the backpack. Max, please put this in the front. Richie, please put this in the
I
front.
will. Just give me a second.
Here. Put it in the front.
I will. I hear you, sir.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Wait till my knuckles feel good. Knuckles. Like my thumb. Both my thumbs.
Look at that big feather.
Where? Oh yeah.
Ready? B, then D, then P.
405.
Bye-bye, feather. The feather blew away
Did it?
because of the wind. And now it's flapping.
Yeah? Is it like spinning all around?
Yep. I'm holding with one hand. Okay, now I'm holding with 2 hands. Okay, I'm standing up.
No standing up.
I'm trying to stand up. Since Daddy wants to do it, I want to do it, so I'm trying not to get my feet on it when I'm standing up.
Okay.
And I'm trying not to get my hands off of it.
Huh?
No. My shirt was up earlier.
It was.
Yeah. Okay.
From the wind?
Yeah. Not from my hand.
Oh. Yeah, because you're holding on, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I can hold on from one hand.
No, do 2, please.
I can do 1 and then I can hold on to 2.
Are you going to push the button?
Yep. Right on my speed limit. I'm standing up, so.
Good?
Yeah. No, I fell out.
Thank you, sir.
I fell out.
Okay, that's good.
I want to stand up.
Where's Middle Sound Grill? Where's Middletown Grill? Oh. It's funny, I talked to Randy last time we saw him and he was like, you still ride the bikes? And I said, oh yeah. And he said, dang, y'all ride more than we do. Look at that Jeep.
That is so cool.
That one is cool. It's got pretty colors, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty colors.
Yeah.
That's my favorite dream car. That's my favorite dream Jeep.
Yeah.
I never seen that truck before.
Me either. $78 degrees. By the way, I need to do something. I need to switch the bubble. You.
Look.
All right, they're gonna turn and then it should be our turn.
Yeah.
Ready? Hold on. Here we go.
Yep, here's it on.
Big bump.
But not hurting my bump when we did.
Good.
I'm pushing.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
I think they might turn or we might go. I don't know. It always depends. Okay, they're turning. There goes the Jeep.
Yep.
Mailman. Got out. Are you ready?
Yep. We're going the same way where that Jeep is going.
No, we're gonna go straight. We're not gonna turn. Are you ready? It should be our turn. Here we go.
Yep. Bye-bye. Pretty
There's
Jeep.
more bikes.
What?
Bikes over here.
Yep. That's my cute little Jeep.
Yeah.
That's our cute little Jeep.
Yeah.
But that's a cool looking Jeep.
Yeah, it was. There's the play place.
Turn! I turned in a play place.
We can't.
I turned.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
In your brain?
Yes.
Okay.
But except you are still doing straight.
Yeah, because we can't go because it's somebody's birthday party.
Yep. But I'm already there, so.
Look at all the pretty flowers.
Ooh, yeah. The play place is over here, right? The play place is over here, right?
Yeah. We passed it.
Yeah, I know we passed it, but I said it's over here.
Yeah.
On this side, except we passed it.
free.
Yeah. Mine was in 2 feet.
Yeah.
It's covered with some trees on it. So no one can go in it.
I'm just coasting.
Yeah. We're winning. No. We're winning. We're catching up.
We are
It's a
catching up.
race.
Well, I wanted them to be in the camera shot too a little.
Yeah. Running, we're both winning. Yes, we are. Yeah, we just weren't next to each other. And we can talk to each other.
Mine aren't. All the way up. How? What? Are you on turbo? Oh, I only got to sport just across the road. That's where I'm at.
Well, I'm doing what you're doing. Okay, now. I'm doing what you're doing. Yeah.
There's a taco place.
Yeah, taco place. But someone put shut on that.
Did you see? You know how Big Lots was closing?
Yeah.
They have a sign. Yeah. What is that? I saw it.
It said it's opening.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
I found it. Yeah, why did it close and then open?
I don't know. It was very sneaky.
Yeah, that's
Dubious activity.
maybe Big Lots is having new stuff.
I don't know.
What? Grandma was Big Lots. So she just went up there, pajamas on, and jumped to Big Lots. Instead, she just stays to her house.
She is not
That
paying
wasn't-
attention.
Baby.
Thanks. Sir, move your foot.
I am.
Make sure your foot doesn't hit the tires.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I was thinking about I need to get some kind of alarm or something.
Yeah,
It's like she
we're
wasn't looking at all.
Yay, we're winning.
Huh? Like, rah! Yeah, something really obnoxious and annoying. Like, not just like a regular horn. Yeah. But I feel like it needs to be digital to really give it that,
I'm
like,
using it with no words. Is that cool?
you're doing what?
I'm doing it with no words.
Oh, no legs?
Yep.
That is cool.
I'm just keeping my words not on the pedal.
Is that comfy? Bum?
Yeah, that is something. But this is comfortable.
Yeah?
I can worry see my foot.
Well, it's nice you have the option to put your leg up if you want.
Yep. But we're making a shadow.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
A shadow is on the bump. But why were you winnowing?
Because it looks funny.
Yeah. I wanted to try with no feet on the pedals.
Is it?
Yeah. How do you start a smut? Oh yeah. Boop. 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 Chee, 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 chee. Boop. 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 Is that you? It's my favorite one.
Push it? Yeah. Push it, push it, push it. Ready? Here we go. Go. Ooh. Listen to all the bugs. Listen to the bugs.
What?
You hear the bugs?
No, I don't see them.
You hear them?
I don't see them, but I can hear them.
Oh, you can hear them. Yeah. I couldn't see them either. I could hear them though. Oh, there's more. I hear him. Listen. Whoa.
It's even louder.
That was loud.
Yeah. We passed him and that was walking.
Yeah, he was walking.
Yeah, but he wasn't running.
No.
But some people exercise by running.
That's true. He's exercising by walking.
Yep. That's why I like to take some walks.
Oh, you do?
And I don't want to take a walk by myself.
No, not until you get older.
Yeah. What you?
Yeah.
A stinky pond with some turtles in it.
A stinky pond with turtles?
Yeah. Even crocodiles in it.
And crocodiles?
No. I'm not going to drink that water for sure.
No, yeah, don't drink that.
Yeah, yucky.
Very yucky.
And if I forgot that it was green water, then I'll pour it out.
Well, and you don't want to get too close to the edge if there's crocodiles in it.
Yeah.
Because then they could come out and bite you.
Yeah. So I wouldn't do that. So
Yeah.
I would just leave the crocodiles and turtles alone.
Yeah? That's good.
I think there's just turtles.
That's the store where we donate things.
Yeah.
Crossing the road.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
Thank you. Baby flags.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
What? Oh, yeah. I wonder what's right there.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
And no one's in it right now.
No, they put it up so no one climbs in it and gets hurt because they're not working today.
Yeah. But are we going to eat ice cream?
What?
But we're right here.
We are?
Yeah. So it looks like we're going to Boombalatti.
It looks like we're going to Boombalatti.
Yeah.
It does. He said, are we going to eat ice cream? It looks like we're going to Boombalatti.
Why? You forgot.
Oh, did you pull it off?
No, I didn't.
You didn't.
No.
You have to show Daddy.
Dad.
He said he didn't pull it off.
That's okay. Hit the circle button on there.